Today, we'll check out gifts that bring the entire family together. From building Lego masterpieces to stargazing, singing your heart out, and even whipping up your own ice cream. We've got a little something for everyone, so let's get to it. All right, kicking things off, we have a classic favorite for kids and adults, Lego. There are sets available for different interests and age ranges, and they're great for family bonding. First up, we have the Lego Friends Dog Rescue Center. It's got everything: a vet clinic, a grooming parlor, and even a miniature obstacle course for the dogs. Next, we're taking a trip worldwide with the LEGO Ideas The Globe. Fun for families who love to travel or dream of adventures. Build it together, spin it, and let your little ones point out places that they'd love to visit. It's educational, fun, and interactive. And for our artsy families, the LEGO Art World Map is a dream come true. This is the largest LEGO set to date, with over 11,000 pieces. Imagine the hours of fun piecing together this intricate map. And the best part? Once you're done, it's a beautiful piece of art for your wall. Talk about a family project with a lasting impact. Next up, this is the Ninja Creamy Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. Forget store-bought ice cream. You can turn almost anything into a frozen treat with the Ninja Creamy. Ice cream, sorbet, gelato, frozen yogurt, slushies, milkshakes, Italian ice, and more. It's user-friendly with a simple 3-step process. Prepare your base, freeze overnight, and then process. The dual drive motors apply downward pressure to spin the paddle and finely shape the ice particles to transform into delicious frozen treats. Take turns as a family creating your own flavors, mixing in your favorite treats like candy, fruit, or nuts, and, of course, enjoy tasting each other's creations. With a 24-ounce pint capacity, there is plenty to share. And the cherry on top, it's easy to clean. The containers, lids, and paddle are all top rack, dishwasher safe. Nice. All right, gamers and non-gamers alike, this one's for you. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED model. And if you have yet to try it, you're in for a treat. Want to game on the big screen? Dock it. On the go, undock and take it with you. It comes with 2 Joy-Con controllers. Connect up to 4 for a multiplayer game. Available separately in vibrant colors like neon red, blue, pink, green, pastels, and more. So everyone in the family can pick their favorite. And speaking of games, we've got Super Mario Bros. Wonder. Mario. A character that's been bringing families together for generations. Whether you're racing against each other or teaming up for an adventure, it's hours of fun and laughter. The best part? Whether you're a seasoned gamer or picking up a controller for the first time, there's something for everyone. Family game nights, competitive challenges, or just some solo gaming. The Nintendo Switch has got you covered. Check out the Solo Stove Mesa, an outdoor tabletop fire pit with a smokeless design. All the warmth and mesmerizing flames without your clothes smelling like a campfire afterward. Bring out the s'mores. With the Mesa, every night can be a s'mores night. You can use small firewood or wood pellets to get the fire going, and it comes with a stand to help prevent damage to your tabletop surface. So, whether you're in your backyard or out camping, this tabletop fire pit ensures you can have magical moments with your family. This is the Celestron Travel Scope 70DX Portable Telescope. Use this day-to-night telescope for celestial viewing at night or for observation of birds, nature, and wildlife during the day. Designed with traveling in mind, this telescope is compact, lightweight, and comes with its own backpack. And here's a bonus. It comes with a smartphone adapter so you can capture images that you're viewing right on your phone. Imagine the family fun taking turns to spot constellations, planets, and maybe even a shooting star. Introducing the Singing Machine Home Stage, a karaoke system with 2 wireless mics, a detachable 50-watt Bluetooth speaker, and a mic stand with a device holder for your tablet or phone so you can read lyrics. It's easy to use. Just connect your music source, stream your favorite song, and belt out those high notes. And for those of you thinking, I can't sing, fear not. This system offers professionally crafted vocal effects to help with pitch correction and harmonizing. Family karaoke nights will never be the same again. Gather round because it's game night. First up, we have Cards Against Humanity Family Edition. If you're familiar with the original, you know it's a game of hilarious and sometimes outrageous combinations. This Family Edition has been crafted to ensure laughs for all ages. And if you want more, there's a Family Edition expansion pack, the Glow in the Dark box, with 300 more cards. Next, we're taking things to a new level with Pictionary Air 2. Forget pen and paper. This game is about drawing in the air. Use the digital pen, draw your clues, and watch them appear on your TV or tablet. It's a game of guesses and giggles and some truly unique artwork. And for those moments when you want a fast-paced, heart-racing game, we've got Uno Attack. It's the classic Uno we all love, but with a twist. Play your cards right, or you might just get, well, attacked. So, are you game for some family fun? With these picks, every night can be game night. So, there you have it, some great gifts to bring the family together. If any of these made it on your list, drop a note in the comments below. We'd love to hear about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.